morning.
What's up, man?
Vlogger Rex, yeah. What's up, guys?
It's 4:30 in the morning, mga kaibigan. Good morning. So nakabili na kami ng tubig and some firewood. Time to hit the road again. So YouTube subscribe. You like camping? Yeah. Kaya papagas lang kami. I think 1.5 hours left. So far, okay yung weather. Alright, let's do this.
Ito kami sa 395.
Ilang oras pa kayo?
Ay,
Isang oras pa.
isang oras pa kami ngayon.
O sige, sige. Inyo. I think that's it. Is it this one?
Hi, we're checking in.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
So no loud noises or generators or anything
So-
like that after 10 or
So no karaoke after 10.
no karaoke after 10. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you and enjoy your weekend.
Thank you.
You too. To 118.
Eh, yung 115 nasa right side. Alright. It's finally here. Yeah, dito na kami. So, just trying to figure out which campsite. Angeles, June Lake. Guys.
I'm your parent. You can't touch me.
Cowboy Rex, what's
What up?
up?
What up? Howdy, everybody. Howdy, howdy, ho. We're debating of how we're gonna set the tent. Paano natin gagawin to dahil ang ibang site namin ay hindi patag.
Yes, sir.
So,
Sa amin, tingnan mo.
alright. Ito na lang, oh.
What do you say, Miss Delendo?
My stomach hurts, man. I'm hungry.
How about you, bud? Ganda ng weather. So, at 60 degrees. I think mamayang gabi or madaling araw mga 20 degrees. So, and I don't know if I'm ready for that. I don't know if we're ready for that, but we'll see. Cholo and them. Yo, 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 what's up? What's up?
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.
Yung 119, ano ba yung 119?
Sakto lang. Wala lang tulog eh. Ito mga idol ko. Ito idol ko talaga yan. Ikaw muna sa mga YouTube fans natin.
Hi, YouTube.
Kamustahin natin yung mga artista na galing Las Vegas. Ayan po, sir.
Yung katipangan dito. Masa balita ba?
Ayos lang. Mabuti na kasama kayo.
Oo nga eh. Medyo alingayin nga ba eh, pero...
Ito yung idol ko talaga.
Brother?
Balita bro. Kamusta biyahe?
Okay naman. Traffic eh.
Kumay ka muna sa mga YouTube fans natin.
What up, what up? Welcome. We're at June Lake, my lake.
Oo nga no. Ito ang aming margarita.
Parang si Mikkel eh.
June. Cholo.
You wanna go look for
Madalip this?
There's ghost over there.
Kasi kailangan ko yung may mga baso dyan.
Get the shot
Can you
glass.
put your... We have shot glass din doon sa... Meron pala sa shot glass eh.
Chef Ray, what's going on over here, man?
Good evening. Now,
Henny, we got
Na-open mo, Mar?
Pitos.
sige, okay na kayo, ma'am. Mamaya masahe pa pagkatapos nito, ha?
Let's cooking that. Isaw.
Isaw. Tsaka Adidas.
Adidas, yo. Got Rex.
What's up,
Yo.
dude?
Oh, cheers.
Saw you 6 years ago, man.
Cheers,
Oh,
man.
man.
Cheers.
Beach pa, di ba? Been a long time, dude. 11 o'clock at nandito pa kami gumagawa ng s'mores.
Yeah, 11 o'clock. We're still waiting for Bobby. 2:30 pa ata dating niya.
Alright guys, this is our day 1 right now. Sobrang lamig yun. We're about what, 20 degrees right now.
Yeah, 20
It's gonna
degrees.
get to like 13 degrees.
So sila Bobby, mga I think 2:30 pa dating nila. So hopefully makita nila itong campsite. Tapos si She, ayan, aming munting tahanan. Kasi itong inyo is bear country, kasi so kailangan yung you gotta make sure na walang pagkain nakakalat. See you guys tomorrow, man. Peace out. Good morning. Grabe yung lamig kagabi. Si Bobby, oh. Made it. Dumating ng alas 3 ng madaling araw. What's up, B?
Yo, what's up?
So it's 8 o'clock. Breakfast kami and then punta ng Mammoth Mountain. Alright, ating bisitahin ang ating neighborhood. Ayan po, tumae doon sa likod ng puno. Anong masabi nyo?
Walang pamuna.
Morning guys. Good morning. Morning. Si Mel. How's your sleep, Mel?
It was pretty cold. Para kaming naambunan. Nagkaroon ng moist yung aming tent. Siya yung nag-take care sa amin, make sure na hindi basa yung buhok, yung kailangan meron daw kaming blanket, ganun. Mabait si Father Rex.
Yes, mapait. What a loving husband he is, huh?
Boy,
Good morning.
Good morning, kain tayo.
Bisitahin natin ang ating neighborhood number 3. Ito kararating lang ng 3 a.m. kagabi.
3 a.m. kagabi?
3 a.m. kanina.
Labo ah.
Ano masabi mo?
Good night.
Good night. Alright.
Naantok na ako.
Bisitahin natin yung tumae sa puno kanina ito. Pangalan niya, Romeo Soliman. Kumusta yung tayo mo, sir?
Di nga natuloy, walang pamunas.
Bisitahin natin ang neighborhood number 4. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Okay muna sa akin sa mga televiewers natin.
What subscribers?
Subscribers. Ito yung aming singer, si Aimee.
Ay, naku, Diyos ko, hindi po.
Oh, concert daw mamaya. Kaya i-stretch mo na yung mga vocal cord mo, ha? Alright guys, kakatapos lang mag-breakfast and then we're gonna go hike sa Mammoth. Yung tumae kanina.
Puro tayo na sa isip.
Yan yung may-ari ng asyenda,
Tangina ka na.
June Lake.
Tsaka nung...
Yan yung anak nung may General Yamasita.
Alright, punta na kami ng Mammoth. Go for a quick hike.
Hush my head, I know you said I don't want more about it. How to dry my
Dito na kami sa Mammoth Lakes.
Why?
Here with Adam. Say hi, Adam. How's the hike?
Good.
You like it?
Say to you,